Hi, and it's Mr. Nobody again. Now I'm actually up in my daughter's room and I'm trying to get this graphics card with the power supply that's back there somewhere, and the laptop, of course, back onto the wall. And this right here is a fan mount, whatever you call it. It's got a bunch of fans in it. It's where I got the AC going in, and the laptop is sitting right here. So I'm gonna put the graphics card up there somewhere, including with the power supply. And I'm trying to figure out like how I'm gonna put this all together. May end up having to get rid of the DVD player, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that or not. I like to keep it up here just in case, you know, but may end up having to move it or take it off or do something else. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, it should be interesting. Anyways, I'm gonna get right to it. The nice thing is that I can just screw this thing directly onto here because it's got screw holes. I'm gonna go and use a bunch of different size screwdrivers to remove this. Okay, so I did manage to remove this plate thingy, and that was not easy, I can tell you that. Okay, so I got it all put together, and now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. I'm pretty sure I'm still going to have to configure the card in the system and get it all set up, so it'll take me a little bit. And once I get it all set up, I'm going to show you guys how well it works. I just wanted to give you guys a quick preview here about how it's set up right now. I don't know if you guys can see it well with all these wires, but this is just a paper wire clip. Those two wires will make contact, and the power supply just knows how to just turn on. And it doesn't do anything but just to turn on. Good old power strip here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the power supply is actually on. I can see the fan moving and I can feel the ventilation. Okay, so that turned on. And there you have it. It's all connected with my graphics card up there, which is currently on, and this is on as well with the screen basically just completely off. And I also have gone and made sure, since this laptop does come with a integrated graphics card, and so it actually has two graphics card built in. One is an Intel UHD, I believe it's called. It's not that great. It's really just meant for regular office work. It does, however, have another graphics card installed in it, which is a NVIDIA GTX GeForce 1080. I think it's a 1080 or something like that, which is actually really not a bad graphics card. It's actually pretty decent. Well, this card, it's all by itself. Like, the memory, it's got like 8 gigs of memory, I believe. It's actually a really decent graphics card. It doesn't do what I needed to do. It's just been sitting around. So I paid a lot of money for that, though. Just trying to show you guys what I have done to stabilize this graphics card a little bit more. As you can tell, the power supply is very well attached, and it's not moving. And now the graphics card, it's not moving either. It's very well attached with this piece of wood now, and it's pretty nice and tight to the wall, and then of course attached with the laptop right in here. It's working actually very well like this, because it's definitely still getting air from the AC. Fan is sucking the nice cool air in, which blows it out here. So, and the computer is definitely getting plenty of air. So yeah, it's actually working very well. I did overclock this graphics card, basically what AMD was recommending, and it's clocked at 1.6 gigahertz, I think. And it's working very well. It's playing the game flawlessly without any trouble whatsoever. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys. Bye.